Hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is Study with Prabin Sir. Today we will discuss one important type of questions of chapter percentage, that is questions based on population. This type of questions is frequently coming in different competitive exams such as banking, railways, SSCs and other state government exams. So let's get started. Now type 19, question number 24. The population of a town is 32,000. It increases 15% annually. What will it be in 2 years? Now, we have a formula to solve this question and I will tell you how to remember that formula. Now, that formula is where PWB is equal to population would be P here, that is population at present population at present R is equal to rate percent per annum percent per annum and T is time in years. T is equal to time in years. Now by using this formula we can solve this question. Now here, listen, here it is given or it is written as plus minus. That means if it is increased we will use this plus symbol and if it is decreased we will use this minus symbol. Here it is given that it increases 15% annually. Increases means, that means we will have to use this plus symbol. So here population would be, that is equal to, present population is 32,000 into here 100 plus 15 by 100 your time is 2 years. It means we'll have to write here 2. here, so that is equal to 32,000 into 115 by 100 into 115 by 100. So here this two zeros cancel this two zeros, this 1 0 cancel this 1 0. Here again, when this 32 is divided by 2, it becomes 16, and when this 10 is divided by 2, it becomes 5. Again, when this 115 is divided by this 5, so it becomes 23. That means 16 into 23 into 115. So it is coming as, so that is equal to 42,320. That means option A is the right answer. Now listen, how to remember this formula. Okay, I have to tell here how to remember this formula. Now percentage means, that means we have two values. One is the 100 and another one is the, that means one is the 100 and another one is the 100 plus if it is increased, or 100 minus if it is decreased. So 100 plus the rate percentage here and 100 minus the rate percentage here. This is for increase and this is for decrease. So here it is given that in this question it increases 15% annually. That means the other value is 100 plus 15, 100 plus 15, so that is equal to 115. Again here, listen, if the rate percentage is increased, that means after 2 years the population will be more than the present population. That means here 32,000 into, now the fraction should be like this, the numerator will be greater than the denominator. Here we have two values, one is the 100, another one is the 115, and as after 2 years the population will be increased, that means the numerator will be more than the denominator. The denominator will be 100. So this is for 1 year. So for 2 years we have to multiply it twice. Then we are getting the same result. That is, after calculation we will get this as 42,320. That means option A is the right answer. Now the next question. Now the next question. Here, question number 25. If the annual decrease in population of town is 4% and the present number of people is 62,500, what will the population be in 2 years? Now, again, we have to use that same formula. That means here, present population is 62,500 into 100 minus, here 100 minus 4 by 100 to the power 2. Here, because it is as the rate percentage is decreased, so it will be 100 minus 4. Now, so after calculation we are getting 62,500 into 96 by 100 into 96 by 100. So here these two zeros cancel these two zeros. Again, when 625 is divided by 25, it becomes 25, and when 100 divided by 25, it becomes 4. Now when 96 is divided by this 4, it becomes 24. So after multiplication, we are getting it as 57,600. 57,600. So here option A is the right answer. Now I will tell how to remember this formula. Here, how to remember this formula. Okay. Now here in percentage, we have two values. One is the 100 and another one is the here, as it is decreased by 4 percentage. So another one is the 100 minus 4. So that is equal to 96. Now we have two values. One is the 100, another one is the 96. But listen, as the rate percentage is decreased, that means after 2 years the population will be less than that of the present population. So here that means 62,500 into, now the numerator will be less than that of the denominator. This is for 1 year, and for 2 year it will be 96 by 100. So after calculation you will get it as 57,600. So students, if you like this video, then share it and subscribe to my channel, that is Study with Prabin Sir. Thank you.